What's up, YouTube? I got an exhaust leak on my Dodge that I've been putting off that I'm gonna get to today. Let you hear how it sounds. So that's what it sounds like. So that's what it sounds like. And the reason it sounds that way is because where the exhaust mounts up to the manifold, this flange broke. And the exhaust isn't tight against the donut. So I'm getting a pretty bad leak right there. As I took everything off, you guys can see one of the bolts right here broke. So what I'm going to do is, one of the bolts broke, so I'm just going to weld another bolt onto that instead of drilling it out because I'm lazy. And then what I'm going to use is one of these split flanges that I got from AutoZone. It was only $5.99. The way this works, so I don't have to drop the other manifold side, the passenger side, to drop the whole thing to get a flange on there. This just splits. Put it around, makes things a lot easier. So let me get this welded up and I'll show you the aftermath. Alright guys, got everything bolted up. As you can see, I got the split flange installed. I welded the bolt, the bottom bolt, best I could. I couldn't get all the way around it. And I tightened that down. I don't know how long that's gonna last. Best way would have been just to drill through the manifold to get the old broken off bolt out and run a new bolt through. But like I said, I'm lazy, so we'll see how long this lasts. If it doesn't last, I guess I'll be drilling a hole through the manifold. But it's a quick fix for your exhaust leak, where your exhaust goes to your manifold. I'll start it up for you. This is how it sounds.